Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change windshield wipers on a Nissan Titan. First, gather your tools, including the new wiper blades and a soft towel. Make sure you have the correct size and type of wipers for your vehicle. Lay the towel on your windshield to protect it from any accidental drops or scratches. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement. To remove the old wiper, gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into an upright position. Look for a small tab or button near where the blade connects to the arm. Press this release and then slide the old wiper blade straight off the arm. Be careful not to let the arm snap back onto the glass. Now, take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Double-check that it feels firm. Finally, gently lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the windshield surface. Once both new wipers are installed, give them a gentle tug to ensure they are firmly attached and won't come loose. Then, get into your vehicle and test the wipers using your windshield washer fluid. Observe their movement to confirm they clear the glass effectively and provide excellent visibility across the entire windshield.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.